Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it so that you're notified when I put new content out on Sundays and some Thursdays every week regarding Lux Life and anything girly. So guys, today's video is an unboxing. Let me pull it up here. I opened the top so we don't have to mess with scissors, but this was a planned, semi-planned purchase. It's not on my wish list, but I was totally influenced by my friend on Instagram, Faiza, and she showed me two of her items that were these, and I was actually looking at these items already on the Louis Vuitton website. The problem was I never really realized how hard it was to obtain these items. You know, in true Louis Vuitton fashion, everything is out of stock. So let's unbox and I'll do a little bit of a story time. All right, so this item came from an essay in Glendale, California. And I found it through another essay who told me that this item was available at that store. So I contacted my personal essay here in Ohio, and she did not have the item, and she basically told me it's another hard to find item. Ding ding. And so I went to another SA who is able to access what's in the system and told me that they had one in this specific location. So I had to, and he gave me a contact information for that location. So let's open her up and see what I got. All right. So thank you, LV, for the ribbons. The ribbons are back. It's not a bag, guys. Ooh. Okay. There goes my receipt. Pick it up with my feet. There we go. All right. Ooh. I've never seen them do this. There we go. Oh, and I asked for perfume samples, and the essay did not disappoint. 6 LV samples: California Dream, Afternoon Swim. Ooh, I would love for my husband to try these. Cœur Baton. Ooh, I'm not even gonna try to say that. We'll ask Lauren later, or my friend Asian mom teaches French. If you see this video, can you please teach me how to say that? I'll link it down below. Another Cœur Baton, and ooh, here's another one. I'm not even gonna butcher it, but we'll put them away. Here's the item, and let's unbox her. So I got the Louis Vuitton Agenda GM. Now, you guys know that I had the Louis Vuitton Agenda, Agenda GM. I had the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM, and I actually sold that to one of my friends. So Brenda, if you're watching this, I hope you enjoy that item. It was in very, very good condition. She got it for way below retail, almost 50% off the price, because it was in such good condition. I got it for a steal, so obviously I was going to give it to a friend for a good price too, and basically just paid for shipping. So for this specific item, glazing looks fabulous, obviously, because if it's not, I would be kind of upset, because this is a pretty pricey item for an agenda, obviously. I used to have Erin Condren agendas, and I'll pull that out before I move on to what I'm going to use this for. Cool. Okay. It looks lovely on the inside. So I'm planning to get my initials hot stamped either on this side or this side. But, and if you guys have been watching my channel, you know I have fabulous initials. They are FML, because I don't plan to sell this planner ever. And there's, I don't know what to call those. They're not grommets, I guess screws. They're screwed in on there, and it says Louis Vuitton. We have a made in France item. Yeah. I mean, I don't really worry about that, you guys, but I know some people are very finicky with made in France versus other stuff. Just the item number. So the item number is R2106. This item retails for $840. I don't know if it's had a recent price increase, because like I said, I haven't looked at this item before. I just knew that I wanted to upgrade to a bigger agenda. So let me find the date code. All right, so that might be a later project because it's a little dark and I can't find it. So I did not purchase the refills for this item because number one, super hard to find. They are sold out across the US and Canada. My friend Fiza is from Canada and she is looking for them as well. So it's kind of, I had to think about what I'm gonna put in here. And I have a specific use for this. I have a specific use in mind for this. So obviously I will use it as a planner because I still like to see what I'm gonna do throughout the day. But I also plan to use it as a Pearl notebook for my work. And if you're not familiar with that term, in nursing terms, it's basically like quick, easy things to remember. So I will use this a lot for work as well. So before we move on to the inserts and stuff and how I am planning to set this up, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a life update. I am moving to Texas. Yes, I am moving to Texas. My husband got a better opportunity, so we are gonna hopefully start our journey soon. By the time you watch this video, we should have started the journey already. So buying a house, selling our house here, moving all our stuff all across the South. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about that, you guys. I am planning to vlog a little bit about that. So I'm hoping that you guys get to enjoy that a bit. And, you know, we'll pack up the bags and we'll put the bags and we'll put them away and unpack them when they get to Texas. So that is the most current life update. I do plan on using this. This is why I'm so glad, because I feel like I could not start planning anything until this came, and it took a week to get to me from California. So let me show you the inserts that I got. I got most of the items that I got were from Etsy, and they are I got printed ones. So I bought A5 refill papers from Amazon that were blank, and I just basically used my printer and printed them out because that's the setup that I wanted. So I'm going to show you guys what those look like. I'm going to link the seller down below. I'm going to link the papers that I got from Amazon. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Before I show you what my planner looks like, these are the purchases that I made through Etsy. The Amazon purchases as well. And basically this is everything inside my planner. This is my old Erin Condren planner. I still keep it because I love the pictures. And this is how I have my planner set up. So these pins are from Amazon, and I have the Louis Vuitton receipt holders in between the flaps so that they don't stick together, and the stickers that I use. This dashboard is an Etsy purchase. I personalized it with my name. And this is the pocket from Etsy as well. It has my son's pictures and other stickers that I would use for the planner. It can also hold cash. And these are the dividers. They're gray marble. the first divider has my monthly schedule. And the second divider has my weekly schedule. It is a little bit more updated with my schedule. And the next divider is just for notes. The next divider is for labs and imaging. And the last divider is, I plan to use it for adult specific items for work. And these are just basically the pockets, and the pen that I use the Sharpie gel pen because it doesn't bleed through. And that's it, guys. That's what's inside this beautiful planner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful. I kind of thought about, like I said, purchasing the refills for this specific agenda, but they are sold out. The refills for this one, I believe, were $110. So after purchasing all my papers and all my little knickknacks that will go in this agenda, I think I still spent less than that. And they are tailored to what I want them to be. So I am really happy about that. So guys, if you have any specific questions about this specific item, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll keep you guys updated on life plans and all of that. And yeah, so if you guys haven't joined my YouTube family just yet, please make sure you do. Click that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. You can also direct message me on there and ask me questions because I do tend to check that often throughout the day. So I should be able to respond to you faster in that platform. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for joining me in unboxing this beautiful, beautiful item. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, and have a blessed day.